Dark clouds filled the sky, and the storm was coming. High in the tree, little Chirpy waited safely in his nest. Suddenly, the branch broke, and Chirpy fell into the storm. Cold, wet, and scared, Chirpy cried for his mother. Through the heavy rain, his brave mother searched everywhere. At last, she found her tiny baby shivering in the grass.
Shh, I've got you. Be safe.
She spread her wings wide, protecting him from the storm. Slowly, the rain stopped, and the sun began to shine. With love and care, Mother built a new safe home. And Chirpy learned, a mother's love is stronger than any storm. Subscribe AB Flex for more amazing adventures.